Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's feature product. Today, we have a very exciting new product from Milwaukee that just hit our doors. Introducing the Milwaukee Roll-On Power Supply. Now, this may look similar to other products like the carry-on from Milwaukee, but let me tell you, this ain't your standard battery power supply. This is a true replacement for a gas generator, and also a replacement for the temporary power spider boxes that you'll see on large construction sites. Don't believe me? Well, the Roll-On boasts a whopping 7,200 watts of starting power and 3,600 watts of continuous power. But how long does it actually last? Well, this will obviously depend on how much you've got plugged into it. But very conveniently, there's a screen on the front that will show you your current energy draw, the current battery level, and a runtime estimate. This will fluctuate as the amount of draw changes, whereas a gas generator would be idling all the time, wasting fuel in between uses. It recharges from fully dead to 25% in only 35 minutes, and all the way to 100% about 2.5 hours after that. The battery is entirely internal with a capacity of 2.5 kilowatt hours. That may sound like something from Back to the Future, but let's put that size into context. It's about equivalent to over 5 of the standard 6 amp hour MX fuel batteries, or over 20 of the 5 amp hour M18 batteries. That's enough power to run a circular saw for over 4,100 cuts. With this being a battery, there's no fumes or noise, so you can have it right next to your workstation, even indoors. This will really cut down on needing to run extension cords all over a building and save time walking back and forth to a generator or spider box. Electricity is also cheaper than gasoline, so the savings of the system will really add up over time. And it's pure sine wave power, so it's safe for even the most sensitive of electronics. I'm running out of juice here for this video, but if you're looking for more information, check out our unboxing and demonstration video of the Milwaukee Roll-On 3300R, coming soon on our YouTube channel. Now, I'm gonna roll on out of here. Have a great week, everyone.